Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2018 Audi A5 Cabriolet. This is all courtesy of Audi of Stratham in Stratham, New Hampshire. This thing is absolutely awesome. This is the 2.0 turbo inline 4-cylinder. Really pretty inside. This does have Audi's virtual cockpit, so that's a full digital display. This little assister here provides you the seatbelt. Once you buckle up, it retracts. Visibility is absolutely phenomenal. I thought it would be a lot worse given the fact that this is a convertible, but especially on the driver's side, you have little to no blind spots, and that is impressive. Really easy to use shifter. Here's the certified pre-owned window sticker. 252 horsepower, 270 pound-feet of torque. This one has just under 20,000 miles. Really nice car. Fantastic power for a 4-cylinder. And it really has a very throaty sound. That's something I definitely was not expecting. See, that's where this visibility is absolutely phenomenal. 7-speed automatic is a fantastic transmission. I have no complaints at all. All of your touch points are really high quality, especially this dashboard and the steering wheel. All the leather feels really high class. I'm definitely impressed. Only other Audi I've ever driven other than this is a 2016 S5 and an R8. So this is my first real normal Audi, and this is still a ton of fun. Steering is nice and weighted. It's not absurdly heavy. It's perfect for this car. If you want even more performance, you can always go for the S5. This is the post facelift that occurred in 2018. And then for 2020, your screen is a little bit bigger and it's all touch sensitive. There's no more hard buttons down here. I'm just thoroughly impressed by the power. Given this is a 4-cylinder, I would have thought this is a 6-cylinder. It has that much power to it. This is making pretty much the same numbers as my old Focus ST. And that was a pretty quick car. What's also nice is even with all this power, at the end of the day, it's a 4-cylinder. So fuel economy is phenomenal. So we pull into town, nice time to pop it over into drive and put it into comfort mode. Steering decreases in weight. Throttle response is a bit lessened. Everything just becomes really, really nice and comfortable. In automatic mode, it detects what you're doing. If you're flooring it, taking corners hard, under hard braking, it's going to put you in dynamic. Whereas if you're just putting around town, it's going to put you into comfort mode. It really determines what's best for the vehicle and the driving situation that you're in. All in all, I want to really thank Audi of Stratum for allowing me to come out and film this 2018 A5 Cabriolet. I'm hoping I can film more Audi vehicles in the near future with them. But to finish everything off, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.